Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ching and today we're at Westgate, Las Vegas. I am so excited to be watching the Dear Heart concert here in the Barry Manilow Theater with Sharon Cuneta and Gabby Concepcion. Let's go. So if you're not familiar with Sharon Cuneta and Gabby Concepcion, they were huge stars in the Philippines in the 80s. They actually got married, got a divorce, went on to their separate careers, but their huge movie at the time was called Dear Heart. So this is kind of nostalgic for them to come here to Las Vegas and do a Dear Heart concert, so I'm so excited. So here it is, the Sharon and Gabby Dear Heart time. I can't wait for it to start. It is probably like 30 minutes before the show, and there are people lined up in front of the Manilow Theater to watch Dear Heart in Las Vegas. So we are here.
Tales are real. Sharon Cuneta and Gabby Concepcion. Dear heart, ikaw raw ay batang di mo pa kayang mag-isa.
Kinakabahan ako. Sa bawat kaba, alam ba nila ang pag-ibig mo?
Nagisip at naghintay.
naman kayo. And go on separate ways. Mag-move on na kayo, mag-move on na. I wouldn't know how to get by on my own.
Tagalan mo na.
Kaya mo yan, kaya mo yan.
Dito muna tayo sandali.
Baka ikiss kita, halik dali.
Tagal. May linya pa.
Okay.
Tag mo na, feel ko to, feel ko.
Say goodbye. No matter how they try to show me love won't last. If we're prisoners caught in a handa kong tinisin kahit masaktan di ko papansinin ang pagluha ko'y huwag mong intindihin. P.S. I love you, walang iba. Sa sinasabi niya, sintang dalawa. Tayong dalawa. Tayong dalawa.
Oh my God, you guys, that was such a great concert. Dear Heart, their movie, was actually my first Filipino movie ever. So to see them both on stage again and to sing those songs from that movie was just so nostalgic. I loved it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me again. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye.